Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Geo for Geography and myself Akshay Guru. So today guys I am here with one again innovative, interesting, real-time pocket topic that is flash floods. देखो अभी मॉनसून वाला सीज़न आ रहा है, मॉनसून वाला सीज़न आएगा इनफैक्ट इन द फ्यूचर और द मोस्ट कॉमन द बज वर्ड देन इट वुड बी फ्लड एंड पर्टिकुलरली इन द नॉर्थ इंडिया एंड इक्वली यू विल फाइंड एक और टर्म आपके करंट मतलब जो आएगी दैट वुड बी ए फ्लैश फ्लड. नाउ सी गाइज वी गाइज आर मच अवेयर अबाउट फ्लड. हाउएवर हमने फ्लैश फ्लड वाला केस अभी तक देखा नहीं होगा, है ना, जैसे या अवेयर नहीं होगे टू दैट एक्सटेंट. So see, flood is what? A overflow of water from the river channel, right? Maybe there are number of reasons for this matter. अब उसमें नहीं जाएंगे हम immediately. So flood is what this case. However, flood gives you a enough or considerable amount of time to anticipate the development. Yeah, and that is what the general flood that we consider as in. However, there are like what we have seen, what we have observed in particularly the region where the early warning systems are not effective, sensors are not very well managed, or those regions are very less efficient in the flood management. What we have seen are just within few hours or within few hours of time, if there is like a rainfall or if there is like a kind of a problem, that immediately with a very lag time, with a very limited lag time leading to a flooding event. It was really not expected to have this flood. However, that due to some kind of issues जो हम इसमें discuss करेंगे, that it has led to the flood events, right? And that is to be known as flash flood. Definition भी देखेंगे, सारी सब कुछ चीज़ें. Watch it till the end, and believe me, you will be having a pretty much clarity over on the flash flood वाला point. I have attached the link over in the description box with the pocket topic, so you guys can download it from there as well. Now, see. पहले तो रिलीवेंस क्या है, एब्सोल्युटली रिलीवेंस है कि जैसे मॉनसून सीजन आएगा, रेनी सीजन आएगा, फ्लैश फ्लड करंट अफेयर्स में होगा. फाइन. देन नाउ व्हाट आर दिस फ्लैश फ्लड्स? एक्सेसिव और कंटिन्यूअस रेनफॉल over a period of days or like during a particular season can lead to stagnation of water and cause flooding. Yeah, that is what a case with the flooding. However, flash floods occur in much shorter span of time. It occurs with very short span of time, sometimes less than even 5 to 6 hours. See why it is known as flash. Flash, camera का flash तो देखा ही होगा ना आपने. Flash is simply like when it's like giving you a flash, so within very short period of time there is like this event that is in occurrence. So within a span of 5 to 6 hours and are highly localized in nature, that is limited spatial extent, that is having very limited spatial extent. I hope definition is pretty much clear to you and explanatory as well. अब देखो why these are dangerous, this flash floods are dangerous. The reason being, as they are accompanied with the landslides, earth or debris flow, it makes them more dangerous. With very short span of time to manage, it may increase its disastrous potential. It reduces the time for the disaster management and increase the the hazard potential equally. So that's why it is more disastrous. Does India has any vulnerability to the flash flood? Answer is yes. Almost our 1/5 of the land is prone to this kind of flash flood. See, India is second in the world worst affected by the flash flood. The first country to be affected by this is the Bangladesh, our neighboring Bangladesh. India is the second in the sequence. So affected by the Bangladesh, see 40 million hectares area is affected by it, and 1/5 of the overall global floods occur in India. And that makes our country rather much more vulnerable for this event, and it has led to a significant अब देखो इसका एरियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, यू गाइस कैन हैव दिस मैप एज वेल, ठीक है। मेनली देखोगे नॉर्थ प्लेन ऑफ इंडिया, ब्रह्मपुत्र बेसिन, गंगा बेसिन यहाँ पर है, कोस्टल रीजन्स ऑफ इंडिया जो डेल्टा वाला पार्ट है, और कुछ हद तक वेस्टर्न घाट, ईस्टर्न घाट, कोकन प्लेन, मैसूर प्लेन, कर्नाटका प्लेन, वहाँ पर ये यू विल फाइंड दिस काइंड ऑफ इवेंट्स आर देयर। नाउ what causes this to happen, this flash floods? You will find number of causes are there, like heavy rainfall mainly during southwest monsoon. That heavy and overflow rainfall that will rather override the river channel is a major factor for this case. Next, cloud burst or thunderstorm, excessive amount of rainfall, heavy rainfall, cloud burst तो कह रहा है, और भी इसका excessive variant है thunderstorm. It lead to again overflow of river channel, and you can within very short span of time it transform into the flooding. Depressions and cyclonic storms in coastal areas of West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh are that responsible case. Then flash floods after wildfires are equally common. Yeah, flash floods after wildfires, क्योंकि क्या होगा, ultimately that leads to increase in the river flow or the channel flow, may lead to this kind of flash flood. Equally after forest fire, soil erosion या draining होगा, वो भी river channel block करेगा, leading to the flash flood, unexpected flood therein. Then climate change and global warming are responsible further for the increased frequency of flash flood. So the causes are like heavy rainfall, cloud burst and thunderstorm, depression and cyclonic storm over on the coastal region, flash flood led by the forest fires, and then climate change and global warming as events. Next है, अब इतना देखो केस है हमारा, एक्सपोजर टू द फ्लैश फ्लड, कॉजेस, डेंजरस पोटेंशियल्स, एंड दिस वे नाउ डू वी हैव एनी मैकेनिज्म टू डील विद द फ्लैश फ्लड? At least as of now, see, flash flood is very in the initial stage of its understanding for like by us. So abhi bahut strong initiatives या widespread initiatives you won't find over in this domain, but still we have taken many efforts for this. Like India has launched first of its kind flash flood, say the geographical spacing, and other South Asian countries, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, Sri Lanka are equally involved in this. Geospatial mapping of this flash floods is what for the purpose of study, research, and early warning as well that way. Under this, IMD will issue an impact-based forecasting at watershed and also at city level as well. So watershed basis पे भी और city level पे we are trying to explore this fact. A robust system to provide in real time to support development of warnings for flash flood about the 6 to 12 hours in advance, and that is what we are actually working on for this development. If you feel, I hope ये आपको clear हो चुका होगा, the flash flood causes, reasons, impact, India, its vulnerability, and the solution taken. If you feel there are some other equally viable solutions, those have been taken or those just could be taken further, so please let us in the comment box. Those will, those solutions will further enrich other individuals as well. So this is all about for today for this flash flood wala topic. I hope you have now got the concept, having a much clarity. You must like this video, then comment it over on the video and share it with your near and dear one. Thank you guys, thank you, and have a good time.